Every day, there are lots of stories happening in Kout. Some are cheerful, some are tense. Most are ordinary, but filled with our passion for people and food. Each of those stories makes us stronger together. In Kout, we call it Rise. This is Kim, a rising star in our Burger King waterfront branch. Today, she's on the morning shift. Feeling like she is an ambassador of the brand itself, Kim prepares to meet her customers with a fresh and tidy look. Kim says that what keeps her here is the support she gets from Kout. She feels she is a member of this big family, 4,000 strong from over 30 countries, surrounded by such lovely colleagues and team. While Kim is getting ready to start her day, our driver Ali arrives. Ali needs to deliver an average of 30+ orders a day and travels over 180 kilometers to fulfill his orders. Having an average delivery time of 22 minutes, Ali reserves his place amongst the top of our fastest delivery heroes, forming one of the largest delivery fleets in the country with over 1,600 drivers. With the health and safety of our customers being our #1 priority, Kim and the team follow strict safety controls and guidelines from the time before we open the doors until the moment we serve our last customer. First, all our staff members need to get their temperature checked. Then the team needs to make sure every corner in our restaurant has been cleaned and sanitized.
Your safety is our #1 priority. It wasn't just a statement. It is a commitment for all of us to ensure a safe environment for our team, customer, and community where we live. Since the pandemic started, we have taken a very strict measure to protect our team as we ensure the availability of hand sanitizer and masks consistently despite the disruption in the supply all over the world. We have created 9 versions of visual operating guidelines that fully comply with the Council of Ministers' decision and our brand standards. We launched a 360 safety program where we made sure that all of our restaurants are equipped with counter shield, social distance stickers, awareness posters, and protective equipment. And within a week, we were able to train and certify more than 1,200 delivery drivers on the contactless delivery procedure, where we have gained the customer trust and confidence about our brands.
The morning meeting is always a great way to kickstart our day. The team's goals and objectives are set for the day, and we are all focused to support our frontline teams. Karthik, our driver who has been working at Kout for 5 years now, is responsible for the delivery of the new stock for our Burger King family meal. Karthik plans his day to ensure that all stocks are delivered to his 10 Burger King restaurants before 11 a.m. Since early 2020, the company has invested in a virtual working platform to ensure that we maintain an efficient working environment during the pandemic. Now it has become the new normal for us at Kout. Every campaign launch in Kout seeks support from different functions. Today, the IT, marketing, and e-business are collaboratively having a final checkup to ensure the success of the Burger King family meal.
We at Kout are very connected with our values and believe in our people and team's ability to drive growth. It is great to note that we have been able to outperform our sales goals and targets despite the pandemic lockdowns and sporadic government restrictions. At first, it was about safety. Then it was about social distancing and being restricted by the lockdown. These market shifts gave birth to many campaigns, such as the contactless or free, Then came the value offers that catered to families and groups that were in lockdown in their households. As the pandemic progressed, so did our marketing, e-commerce, and digital ecosystems, leading us to where we are today.
Back to the distribution center. Karthik is almost ready with his shipment. His truck is being loaded.
Warehousing and distribution is one of the key pillars of sustainable food business. With quality as the prime objective and with the strategic long-term storage solutions to cater for KFG's business development growth even during this pandemic, the top management approved and initiated the new distribution center project. The new distribution center is a transformational project which is a true testimony for the great alliance and synergy, collaborative support of the team resulted in delivering the project in record time. Today, our new DC is located in 19,000 square meter, which includes 14,500 square meter of storage and utility area and parking. I am very glad to share Kout is having the most modern warehouse for food in Kuwait with the single largest location for freezer capacity, which is supported with wire-guided MHE from BT Sweden and VNA racking from Dexion Germany. I very strongly believe this KFG's new distribution center will be catering KFG's business needs for the next 15 years.
Karthik will be racing the time today to ensure that all the materials reach their destinations before the launch date. Every day, 25 trucks depart from the distribution center to deliver goods to over 200 Kout locations. After the morning meeting and before the launch time, personnel in charge check and verify the final step. This is Ramesh. He is responsible for our POS system. This is his colleague Khalud. She needs to check and confirm that all information has been uploaded to the Burger King app. Nowadays, because consumer behavior has changed, brand apps take center stage along with aggregators. Our Burger King app had over 200,000 downloads in 12 months and an average of 3,500 daily active users with 900 daily transactions in Q2 of 2021. Push notification, SMS, and social media communication has become the best way to reach out to our customers. More than 40% of the marketing investment has been shifted from traditional to digital since 2020. It shows a significant positive impact in sales and turns out to be our top focus. Back to Kim, the first order came. Kim starts to prepare the newly launched products, strictly following the guidelines provided during her training. Our ingredients are produced by our own fresh production factory, which has been successfully developed into a world-class production facility, driven by a team of internationally experienced professionals. Fresh production has captured the loyalty of local and international brands and organizations. We are proud to see that the collaborations between our factory and our international partners have resulted in product promotions and launches all over the GCC. Once the order is ready, a notification will automatically be sent out to the driver. Ali will get an alert and head to the delivery counter window.
At Kout, delivery has always been front and center even before the pandemic. We always recognized a delivery business as one of the most important sales generators. We introduced the centralized delivery management, CDM, which has increased delivery efficiency as well as improved our customer satisfaction scores of hot and fresh. Kout also has initiated GET, Guest Experience Transformation, for enhancing our delivery service overall. In 4 months, we generated and implemented 36 main projects focused only on delivery. As results, Our delivery transaction represented 71% from total transaction in Q1 of 2021, with total order journey 25 minutes only and average drive time 9 minutes, productivity of the drivers 2.3 orders per hour. Currently, we are already 137% versus the budget for delivery business, with an average of 700,000 transactions per month. We are confident that we will keep our rising story with the effort from all CDM and operations teams.
What happened? An error? Relax. Troubleshooting is also what we do every day with the Kout field focus teams. Immediately, the manager contacts IT support. Every day, we get many calls addressed to the Kout Contact Center Service Desk, Distribution Center, Facilities Management, IT Field Team, and our HR business partner asking for support. These functions provide a really vital service to the restaurants and teams in operations. With a close feedback loop monitoring their service levels to the internal teams, we make sure we set our business for success. See now, with a team effort, the business is back to normal. Finally, a busy day is almost over for Ali. He gets his last order for the day. While our team members are doing an amazing job, our management team is eagerly awaiting to check day one results of the campaign. From area coach to chief operation officer, the late night chat just started. Of course, numbers show the hard work and the achievements, but this is not what Kout only looks at. Our mission is to create a happy customer experience every minute of every day. And happiness is what we deliver.
Let's go like Alomani.
Enjoy your meal, Abdullah. Of course, our day doesn't end without recognizing the best of the best. In Kout, every story is a rise story. Rise is our superordinate goal. We rise every day. We rise together. Now, we can call it a story of Kout.